Good day, class. So today we are going to discuss lesson number 12. So it is comprises of 8 brief form phrases, symbols for the sounds of ten and them, and then salutations and complementary closing, and then transcription tips. Okay? So before we proceed with lesson number 12, let us have or at least a review sa lessons number 11 natin. So as you have remembered, I have been given you the measurement and metric system. No, I hope that you have memorized that one because that is not part of your book. Okay, so kindly practice it uh, as many as you can. Kasi as many times as you can rather. Kasi maybe it might be part of the examination. So midterm examination will be on November. Yes, of course, after your long quiz, you will be able to encounter your midterm examination, which is comprises of lessons number 11 to, oh sorry, lessons number 1 to lessons number 18. Okay, that would be the composition of your midterm examination. So let's have a review of lessons number 11. So the word ending tion or pronounced as Sean, or sometimes spelled as Sion or Cion, it is just represented by an ish symbol, like this. So it is a short downward straight line. Okay, pababa siya. So yeah, pababa siya. Okay, so let's say for an instance, nation. This is a joined, joined. So N-A-ish, nation, N-A-ish, nation. So how about the word national? So let's have N-A-ish for Sean. Then just put the L symbol to make it national. N-A-ish, then L to make it national. Okay, the word ending shensi. So let's say for an instance, shensi, okay, is represented by a combination of ish symbol, then S, and then E. So ish, downward straight symbol plus the comma S, and then the E symbol to represent as shinsi. Okay? So let's have the word proficiency. So we have the P, R, O, F symbol, ish, S, and E, proficiency. Let me have it again. P, R, O, F, E, ish, S, E, proficiency. Okay? How about the word efficiency? E, F, E, ish, S, and then E, efficiency. Okay, let me have it again. E, F, E, ish, S, E, efficiency. Okay, so how about deficiency? It is not part of your book. Okay, let's have the word or the sounds of diff and dev. So it is like this. So mas malaki siya parang sa this, but it is a bigger one. So we have the E, deficiency. Of course, ish, S, and E. Bakit? Yung diff, this is composed of DIF na eh. Okay? This sounds of diff, dev, def. So diff, ish, SE for deficiency. Let me have it again. Diff, E, ish, SE, deficiency. Okay. Now let's proceed with the word ending shent. Okay? Word ending shent, it can be TI spelled as TIENT, CIENT. Okay? So the word ending shent is represented, okay, by an ish symbol plus the T. Okay? Such as patient. We have the P symbol, A, ish, T, patient, P, A, ish, T, patient. Okay, how about the word patiently? P, A, ish, T, and the word ending, li. patiently. Let me have it again. P-A-I-S-T-L-Y, patiently. Okay, are we clear? Okay, lessons number 11 has the symbol for the sounds of Sean, Shensi, and Shent. Okay, practice it as many times as you can. Okay, let's have the number expression. How about the 100? So let's have it with the N symbol. 1,000 over it. 100,000, of course, combine it, N, and then over it. Million, just simple M symbol. Dollars, the D. $100, of course, N and D. Or let me correct it, N and D symbol. Thousands dollar, or the $1,000 rather, over it, then D. Of course, 100,000. Pagsamahin ng 100, then 1,000, then dollars. Okay? $1,000,000. Okay, let me have an arrow. M, and then D, sorry. M, and then D symbol. Okay? Don't mind the first, uh, sorry namatay yung ano ko, air condition. Okay, let's have the word, sorry, the phrase a dollar. So we have the a dollar. Okay? Dot and then D. So make sure that it is near the A symbol is nearer or near the D symbol. Okay? A million, as simple as this. A and then M. A and then M. Okay, a million. How about the AM? So just simply make it, so I'll remove the na ano. AM, just overlap it, okay? A symbol and then M. So P symbol and then M. Okay, that is the AM or after midnight and then the post midnight. Okay, it is an abbreviation. Okay, so AM and PM. Are we clear? Okay, practice it as many times as you can. So let us proceed with lesson number 12. Okay? Lesson number 12 is composed of another 8 brief forms. Okay? I have told you that you have to prepare an exclusive notebook for the brief forms, brief form phrases, brief forms derivatives, and for the theory practice, right? So those are the outlines that you need to memorize, okay? I want to see it on Monday. Okay? So let us proceed. We have the brief form phrases, another of brief form phrases. Of course, the symbol for the sounds of them and them. Last time we have discussed about the sounds of ten, diba? Tan, tin, and then we have the tain, which is a blended of T and N symbol. So instead of having it with angle, we have removed the angle. So it's already bended. Okay? Now this time we have the them and them. Okay, later we are going to write it in an outline. So salutations and complementary closing. Bating panimula sa Tagalog, then complementary closing, it is the bating pangwakas. Okay? Then transcription tips. Okay, let us proceed with the brief forms. Okay? Let's have the brief form about. About is represented just simply a and then B symbol. Let me have it again. A and then B symbol. Okay? Let's have the from. F and then M symbol. Let me correct it. F and then M symbol. From. That is not form. It could be form also. Okay? Then the glad. It is simply GL. Gay and L. Gay and L. Glad. After, we have the A. Sorry, let me correct it. A-F-T for after. Let me correct it, class, ha? A-F-T after. A-F-T after. How about the word or the brief form? Street. S-T-R street. S-T-R street. Okay, with just simply E symbol and then over is. Okay, E symbol and then over is. That is not a T symbol. Okay? With. Okay? So how about the title Mrs. As you can see, it is an abbreviation. Okay, we have the Mrs. Just simply M, R, and then S. No need to put capitalization. However, the moment that you are going to transcribe it in longhand or longhand transcription, you have to capitalize the M followed by the small caps R and then S, then followed by a period. Why? Because it is an abbreviation. Okay, that is the ruling. When it comes to outline, of course, to promote the ease of writing, that is a title. No need to put a capitalization symbol. Okay? So let's have the word or the brief forms rather when. Just simply en, en. So just don't mind this one. En. Okay, we have the en, en, en for when. En. Okay, when. Okay, how about the word Mr.? Same with the Mrs. Just simply MR. No need to put a sign of capitalization. Then if you're going to transcribe it in longhand, you have to capitalize the letter M, then small letter R, followed by a period. Okay? Mr. Again. Why? Because it is an abbreviation. Okay. Are we clear? Okay. Let's have a brief form derivatives. Okay. About the, of course, just simply combine the brief forms brief form about, and then the. About the. About the. Okay. Sorry. Let's join it. With you, with your. Just simply E over it, then U symbol. E over it, then U symbol. Again, 'di ba? We have a principle of joining when it comes to joining over it and then the U symbol. Of course, you have to written on its side. Okay, with you, with your. You have to memorize this one, huh? Over E over it, then the. For with the over, sorry, E, and then over it, and then the. With our, over, sorry, E, and then over it, then our. E over it, then our. With our. Of course, we have the from the. From the. Okay. Let's have the from and then the symbol. Let me write it again from and then the symbol. From you, from your. From, okay, then you, your, from, you, and your. Again, 'di ba? We have a joining principle when it comes to writing the U symbol. 'Di ba? The U symbol is written on its side if it is after the N and M symbol. Okay. I am glad. Of course, just simply A, M, then the GL to make it I am glad. Again, A, M to represent as I am, then the gay L. I am glad. Okay. Let's have the word, the brief form derivatives. I will be glad. I, and then the will, well symbol, and then the B, to represent the B. Okay, then we have the GL to represent the glad. I will be glad. Let me write it again. I will be GL or gay L to represent the I will be glad. Okay, how about the I realize? Okay, this is also a brief form derivatives. Okay, let's have the A symbol to represent the I, and then R, then E, L, and then broken circle, and then S. I realize. It's just like that. I realize. Okay? A, R, E, L, I, S. I realize. That is not part of your book. Okay? You could actually see it in series 90 of the book or steno book. Okay, are we clear? Huh? These are the set of the brief forms and brief form derivatives. Okay, again, you have to memorize this again. So I am expecting that on Monday or Wednesday rather, these brief forms for lesson number 12 will be part of your notebook. Okay? So we have the about from, glad, after, street. We have the, sorry, with, Mrs., when, Mr. Okay? Brief form derivatives about the, with you, and with your, with the, with our, from the, from you, from your. I am glad, I will be glad after the. I realize. No, sorry. Do not capitalize this one. After. Okay. Let us remember that the interjection, oh sorry, the pronoun I, it should always be written as capitalized, or you have to capitalize it. Okay? That is the rulings. Okay? Whether it is at the beginning of the sentence, within the body of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. Okay? Are we clear? Okay. Let's proceed with the sounds of ten and them symbol. Okay? So we're clear on that, huh? I am reminding you. Okay? So you have to add it to your brief forms derivative, brief form phrases, and theory review notebook. Okay? Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry, class. Okay. Let's have the sounds of them and them symbol. Okay. The sounds of them and them symbol is represented by a blended or pinagsama daw na D symbol and M symbol. As you could see, it's supposed to have an angle. But, of course, we have to eliminate the pen stop, and at the same time, of course, di ba, it promotes speed of writing. Okay? So, we just have to bend it. Okay? Just like this. That one. Ten, them and them. Okay, in comparison to the sounds of tin, tan, and tain, diba? It is a combination of T symbol and N symbol. And then you have to remove the angle as well. So it's going to be, oh, sorry, it's red, class. Okay, black. Okay, TN, TN, TN to represent for the sounds of ten, tin, tan, and tain. Okay, mas maliit to ha. Not unlike sa them. Okay, it should occupy the full height of the line of writing. Okay, this one, si ten, tain, tan symbol, it should be occupying at least 3/4 the height of line of writing. Are we clear, class? Ah? I repeat, the them symbol, it should be written at the full height of the paper. Let me write it again. Sorry, the full height of the paper. The full height of line of writing. Okay? Tem them. Tin tan tain. Tin tan tain. Okay. Let's have the word item. Okay. We have the broken circle I, then tem. Sorry, class. We have the broken circle item, then tem, them symbol. Items, just simply put S. Okay. Items. Okay. Abangan nyo na siya dito ng ano, ng at least parang kama S to represent the I para hindi kayo mahirapan eh. Ganito, sorry. Ito yung kaso. Oh, ganon. Items. Okay. Medyo nalobat yung ano ko. Okay. Let's have the word temper. Of course, we have the... What happened? Sorry, class. Naglolo ko si ano ko, pentab ko. Okay. Let's proceed. Okay, we have the tem, then PR for temper. Temper. Okay, tem, then PR for temper. Don't mind the third example. Okay, let me have it again. Tem and then PR. Okay, class, again. This one, the the DM is both for the tem and them, ha. Do not be confused on that one. Okay, temporary. Let's have the temporary. Okay, we have the temp, PR, and then RE for temporary. Temporary. So minor vowels omitted. Okay, temp, PR, RE, temporary. How about tomorrow? O-R-O, tomorrow. O-R-O, tomorrow. Okay. Let's have the word attempt. As simple as this. A symbol, tem and T. Attempt. Okay. A, tem, T. Attempt. Okay, how about the attempting? A, tem, T. Word ending ing, attempting. Okay. A, tem, T, ing, attempting. Okay. How about the word estimate? We have the E symbol, then comma S. Tem, A-T, estimate. Let me correct it. Sorry, E, comma S. Tem, A-T, estimate. Okay, automobile, as simple as this. O, then tem, O, B-E-L, automobile. Ang ganda ng ano niya, no? Strokes niya, no? O, tem, O, B-E-L for automobile. Okay, customer. K-U-S, tem, R. Okay, do not put any angle in combining the U and S symbol, right? Alam mo yan, di ba? Alam nyo na yan. K-U-S, tem, R, customer. Just put S to make it plural. K-U-S, tem, R, S, customer. Sorry. Okay. Nawalan na ako ng buwelo. Okay, class? Let me write it again. My apology. Okay. Customers. K-U-S, tem, R-S to represent as customers. Okay. Let's have the sounds of them. Diba sabi ko nga sa inyo, it is the same with the sound of 10. Okay. Freedom. So, DNM symbol, just like this. Okay, let's have the word freedom. F-R-E, dom, freedom. F-R-E, dom, freedom. How about the word damage? Dam, and then J, symbol, damage. Dam, and then J, symbol, damage. Okay, damages, plural. Dam, J, and then S, damages. Dam, J, S, damages. Okay, demonstrate. Them, O-N-S-T-R-A-T, demonstrate. Okay, let me have it again. Them, O symbol, N-S-T-R-A-T. Okay, so again, may ano dito, joining principle. The O is written on its side before an N and M symbol. Okay, nakahiga yan. Okay, demonstration, as simple as this. Them, O-N-S-T-R, and then word ending, Sean. Let me correct it, Them, O-N-S-T-R, Asian, demonstration. The word ending Sean, diba? Lesson number 11. Okay, how about seldom? S-E, sorry class, let me correct it. S-E-L, Dum, seldom. S-E-L, dum, seldom. Okay. Let's have the word medium. As simple as this. Then M symbol, E, then doom, medium. M-E, doom, medium. Okay, Adams or Adams. Dum, S, then sign of capitalization. Adams. Dum, S. sign of capitalization. Adams, this is a proper noun. Okay, Dempsey, this is one of the state in United States of America. Okay, them, S-E, sorry, class. Them, S-E, then sign of capitalization for Dempsey. Them, S-E, for Dempsey. Okay, are we clear? Okay, again, sounds of them and then is represented by a blended D and M symbol. Okay, we have removed the angle between the D and M to achieve speed of writing. Okay, we have blended it. Okay, may bend na doon. Okay, are we clear? So let's have the salutations and complimentary close. Okay, how about this, dear mister? Okay, we have the them symbol and then R to represent as dear mister. Them and then R, dear mister, dear Mrs. So them R and S, dear Mrs. Them R and S, dear Mrs. Dear Miss, just simply here like this. Them ES for dear Miss. This Miss yung ano followed by the I, vowel I, and then double S. Dear Miss, this is not an abbreviation. Okay, you don't have to put a period or it shouldn't be. The word Miss shouldn't followed by a period. Okay, dear Miss. How about dear sir? Do we just simply have this dear S? Dear madam, this one it has an angle, The and M. Dear madam, very truly yours. VTU, VTU. Okay, very truly yours, rather. How about cordially yours? We have the K and then U symbol. K and then U symbol. Oh, sorry, class. K and U symbol. Okay. Let me have it again for the last time. K and then U symbol. Cordially yours. Okay, class. Again, when it comes to writing this in an outline, no need to put a capitalization. Okay, sign of capitalization. That is already given or it is already understandable. Okay? However, ganito, if you are referring to a letter or format of letter, of course, if you're going to transcribe it in longhand, of course, capitalize the dear, then Mr. Period. You have to follow it by a colon. Pag formal letter same with the dear miss. Pag transcription na, dear Mrs. rather. Okay? Space, space, then colon. Forgot. Space, then colon. Okay? Kailan ba tayo nagagamit ng comma? Kapag we are just writing a letter to a friend. So, for example, dear sir. Or sorry, not dear sir. Dear Alvin. Kama yan. Okay, dear Ami. Kama yan, hindi colon. Pag letter yan, you should, it should be followed by a colon. Okay, how about very truly yours? Automatic. Capital V, very truly. Small lang yon. Then yours. Followed by a comma, not unless if you are referring to a semi-block style. Okay? You are going to remove it's either you are going to have the comma or without a comma. Okay, we have rulings on that one. Cordially yours. Of course, capital C. And then O, R, D, I, L, L, Y. Okay. Then yours. Sorry. Followed by a comma. Are we clear on that one, class? Okay. Are we good? Okay, thank you so much. That is the end of lesson number 12. Okay, again, Another set of brief forms has been introduced to each one of you. Okay? It should be added to your notebook. Okay? So practice na as many times as you can because we are already getting forward or moving forward to the transcription. Okay? Malapit na tayo matapos sa mga principles until lesson number 20 lang yan eh. Okay. So I have introduced to you the metric and measurement ha. I will be dis I will be discussing some of the what do you call this? The provinces for Luzon or in Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao, and then common cities in the Philippines. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye bye, class.